Welcome to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews. I'm Eric, and today I'm going to talk to you about a pillow that stands in a class of its own. It is truly like no other pillow you've ever seen. I can promise you that. Has some very, very unique features that make it possibly the best pillow on the market. Now, if you're like me, I'm always looking for ways to get better night's sleep, and one of the most important things is your pillow. Even if you have a great bed, if you don't have the right pillow, it can mess up your neck. It can make it hard to sleep, and especially different people sleep different ways: back, side, face down. People have different sleep patterns and need different things in their pillow. This pillow is so great because it is completely customizable, has a very unique patent pending design, and we're going to talk all about that. It's from a company called Zzzones, Z-Z-Z-O-N-E-S, Zzzones, and this is the Zzzones Flex Pillow. And what makes this pillow unique? Let's just get right into it. The base of this pillow is memory foam. It's shredded memory foam, and it is the highest quality memory foam. Not all memory foam is created equal. They use really high quality memory foam in this. That makes a huge difference. But there are millions of memory foam pillows on the market. What makes this unique is there are two separate memory foam pillow sections in this pillow. And then in the center, there is a support system that is made of extremely flexible aluminum rods. Now, I know what you're thinking. That sounds weird. There's an aluminum rod in my pillow. How is that comfortable? I don't know how. It just is. It's a miracle. It's like an ingenious design because you have the memory foam. Again, it's almost like two separate memory foam pillows, one on top and one on the bottom, and then those rods are in the middle. So when you're laying on this, it's not like you don't feel like you're oh my goodness, my head, I'm laying on rods. You don't have that feeling at all. You don't even really know the rods are there, but the rods are offering support. It's the old adage with back support or a seat cushion for a good desk chair. You need something that's soft, but it also has to have support. If it's just softness, then it doesn't offer any support. And a lot of times with pillows, they're really soft, but they don't offer the support you need. Those aluminum rods that are in there allow this pillow to be molded and to mold to the contour of your head and your neck, but also allow you to kind of bend it and contour it how you want it to wrap around you or not wrap around you. If you want it to support in different ways, you can bend and adjust this pillow and get it to do that, which is really cool. And they give you different instructions and sort of a guide of ways you can change it, because those aluminum rods are removable. Each of the pillow sections inside here are individual, and you can remove foam from them. So for example, they include extra foam in the package when you get it in case you want to make it thicker with more foam. But you can also remove foam. For me, I removed some foam from both sides because I like my pillow to be not quite as thick as it was, so I removed some of the foam. And then after sleeping on it for a few nights, I made some adjustments to the rods. For my sleep, I decided removing 3 rods in the center and leaving the 2 on either side worked great for me. And that's because of the way I sleep and the way what I prefer and my pattern. That is the thing that I have found that works great for me and has made this pillow truly an amazing pillow that really gives me the support I need for my neck. I tend to sleep on my back for several hours throughout the night, and then I eventually move to my side. But again, it's different for everyone, and that's what's great. This is so customizable. Not only are those rods in there that allow you to bend and shape this, or allow it to shape itself to your head and give you that support underneath the soft, really soft, comfortable cushioning of the memory foam, but you can remove rods as necessary in order to get a different type of support. Or you can remove them all together. If you remove them all together, you'd have just one of the best memory foam only pillows known to mankind, because again, the quality of the memory foam in this is so great. But having those rods in there and having the option to have those in there is what really makes it unique. It gives you that firm support underneath the softness of the memory foam. And it just really allows you to sleep well at night and have that nice, comfortable neck support and head support. regardless of whether I'm on my back or my side. It is excellent. Again, the company is a Zzzones, a Zzzones, Zones Flex. It is a really amazing pillow, very comfortable. I love how soft the memory foam is, how easy it is to remove or add memory foam to get it slightly thinner or thicker according to your taste. And then most importantly, that patent pending aluminum rod system that's in the center. Very soft, movable aluminum rods that offers that nice support, strong support underneath the soft memory foam. It is the most comfortable pillow I have ever used, and definitely one that I would recommend. That's going to be it for this review. If you like this review, please click that like button. There are links in the description where you can pick up this product for yourself or get more information about it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, favorite this playlist, so you can keep up with future product reviews. And if you have any questions, post them down below. Did I say that? Can't remember. Anyway, that is going to be it. Until next time, so be safe and be happy.